guys, yes, welcome to another tour with me. It's your girl Root to be of Sky Peak Creators. Today I'm taking you to a newly baby in the market, and you know how it is when it's coming as a newly launched. Is super affordable for you to key in. Now, from the road tour from the Epe T-junction that I did, you could see that it is well located. Now it is before K2, far before K2, just less than 2 minutes away from the Itsimi, Lagos. Is less than 7 minutes drive from the Epe T-junction. Now this is the entrance to the estate. You can see this is a big school in Igbodu community, and this is the entrance to the estate called Avon Gardens Estate that I'm taking you to right now, coming on a pre-launch ride. So let's go. I'm gonna tour you from here, so follow me. Okay, welcome to Avon Garden Estate. You can see the tour, like I said earlier, is super accessible. And guess what? It's a newly launched estate. You can see the clearing is done, and we are processing to the fencing ASAP. So this is the right time for you to key in. This location is accessible. It's way before K2 roundabout. It's less than 7 minutes, like I said, from the Epe T-junction. Just about 2 minutes to Isimi, Lagos. You see? So this location is called Igbodu Epe. Very accessible. The landmarks are Isimi, Lagos. We have the Yaba Tech. Even on this road of Igbodu community, we have several secondary school, government secondary school, we have missionary school, we even have a barrack. So it's a well-developed community. You see, it's almost like the end of the community is where this property is located. So the development is coming, and it will take place soon. We have the St. Augustine University very close by, Epe T-junction, less than 10-12 minutes from Epe T-junction. So, and the title of this property is Registered Survey and a Deed of Assignment, and we have payment offer up to 12 months for you. Now, the initial deposit is just 500,000 naira, and you can secure yourself as many plots as possible. So this is one best investment you can take advantage of right now that is still selling on the pre-launch offer. Guess how much? 1.5 billion naira only. Now all inclusive is coming for just 2.5 million naira per plot. Now buy in acres. I've been talking about Epe. Epe is the best investment destination right now with the current development in Igbodu. You see how Aja is to Victoria Island. That is how Epe will be to Igbodu, because very soon Igbodu will be like Victoria Island, while Epe will be like Aja, selling in millions of naira. So now take advantage. We are bringing you affordable, secured, profitable investment. Yes, secured, well titled. No any encumbrance. It is well secured. You can call us to give you the phone number to do your checking yourself. As always, I bring you the very best. Call me right away to buy in acres. Buy in acres right now and sell to those who will come later. As always, the very best. Hala your girl on the number display. Bye.